viewers, welcome to EduFlux. This video is on an on-demand topic, which is the list of standard or reference textbooks that can be effectively used in preparation. This question has been asked to me by many aspirants over the last few days or even months. So let's discuss this important topic. So we'll be mostly talking about the books related to the preparation of electrical engineering GATE, and also some which are common with electronics EC and instrumentation engineering IN. So for the first subject is engineering maths. For engineering maths, I would say this book, which is Higher Engineering Maths by B.S. Grewal. You can study the selected portions from that book. You can refer the GATE syllabus and then study the selected topics from that book. Then coming to the common subjects, we have signals and systems. For signals and systems, I would recommend this book. These books, in fact, which are signal systems by Tarun Kumar Rawat. It's quite a good book. Then signal systems by Oppenheim and Wilsky. That is a very much followed book around the world. And other than these, other books can also be followed, like maybe B.P. Lathi, the signal system book by B.P. Lathi, like this. Next, coming on to control systems, I would like to recommend the aspirants to follow these books rather. The most basic book here is this one, which is Control System Engineering by Nagrath and Gopal. It is the most basic book and should be covered first. I mean, the topics should be covered from there, the theoretical topics, and also the examples should be solved. And apart from that, for more and more practice, you can refer books like the Control Systems by Ogata. That is a good book. Ogata or Control System by Norman Nice, for more and more practice of different types of examples related to like topics like root locus or Nyquist plot in the frequency domain, in that Nyquist plot or polar plot, Bode plot in the frequency domain, time domain like root locus and Routh criterion and time domain analysis. All those topics, for more and more practice of different types of questions, you can refer firstly that the book by Nagrath, by Gopal and Madan and Gopal, and other than those, the book by Norman Nice and or Ogata for more reference. The next subject which we'll be dealing with related textbooks is the measurements. For measurements, I would recommend this book, which is the Electrical and Electronic Measurements by A.K. Sawhney. It is the most basic book for measurements, though it is very thick. Only a few things or portions need to be covered. Most importantly, the AC bridges part and the different types of instruments like the electrodynamometer, type moving iron, then PMMC, all those things. Then ammeters, voltmeters, these things mostly. Then current transformers, potential transformers, which fall under instrument transformers. These topics mostly. AC bridges, different types of AC bridges. All those topics need to be covered mostly from these books. Else, these books contain many other topics also, which need not be considered for the purpose of preparation. Coming to the next subject, which is analog electronics. For analog electronics, I would especially recommend this book, which is Integrated Electronics by Millman and Halkias. From these also, only a few topics need to be covered, which are more important. And for others, also the formula need to be noted. And as the proper questions are more formula based from analog for electrical, but for electronics, you may need more in-depth preparation, which can be covered by studying these books like the electronics book by Robert Boylsted, or this book by Segra and Smith, microelectronics book and design book by Segra and Smith. These books help a lot in building the concepts and also for purposes like interview, etc. Coming on to the next subject, which is digital electronics. For digital electronics, mostly this book is recommended, which is Digital Design by Maurice Mano. Other than that, you can refer different videos also that are available on YouTube, like different academies, NISO Academy maybe, or like that. But digital design is quite a good book that can be followed for digital. In integrated electronics book by Milman Halkes, there are also topics covered in digital that are asked in digital, like what to say, like ADC, DAC, all those things. And coming on to the next subject, which is almost EMFT. Yes, EMFT. EMFT, the best book that is recommended is Sadiku by Sadiku on electromagnetic theory. That covers all the basic examples and the concepts that are required in solving problems. Other than that, as a good reference book, you can always follow the book by Cross, Electromagnetic Field Theory by Cross. This one. So in that also the problems covered in the examples and the topics dealt with are quite well dealt with, quite beautifully explained. So that can also be considered. For measurement, I forgot to mention another reference book, that is by Golding and Widiss. Apart from the A.K. Sawhney book by A.K. Sawhney, that book can also be followed as it also contains the things well explained. Okay, so next subject is one of the most basic for these streams is network theory. Network theory can be covered from the best book. One of the best books recommended for network theory is, in my opinion, is Network Analysis and Synthesis by Emmy van Valkenburg. This book. It is helpful for studying the basics as well as some advanced concepts in portions like transients and all. You can also follow the network theory book by this Sadiku. It contains the other topics like 2 ports and all. Also, circuits and systems book by D. Rolchoiri is also very good, as it was used to be followed in our graduation time. So that is almost all for network theory. The next subject, which are the core subjects of electrical engineering, starting with machines. For machines, there are a lot of topics to be covered, and mostly people recommend in the book by P.S. Bimra. It covers the topics in much detail, and a lot of topics, chapters also covered there, so you can follow that for the basic understanding. Apart from that, you can also follow the book by Electric Machines by Nagarath and Kothari, or also for the design purpose, the design and principle and design of alternate current machines by M.G. Say, for design and construction purposes. If you want to better understand those things, then you can refer M.G. Say. Okay, so and Ashfaq Hussain book is also good for some topics like synchronous machines, electric machines by Ashfaq Hussain. So you can also refer that. The next subject which is going to be covered is power electronics. Power electronics is mostly covered from the books like P.S. Bimra, and also Power Electronic Devices and Circuits book by M.H. Rashid is also quite good for analysis purpose and studying the waveforms and all. And apart from that, for higher studies, aspirants may refer like books like authored by Ericsson, etc. Coming on to the last subject, which is in this course subjects and also totally, which is power systems. For power systems, the most trusted basic book which covers almost all the topics is this one, which is a course in power systems by J.V. Gupta. It covers all the topics, most of the parts. And for other books are also recommended like Power Systems by Nagarath and Kothari, one power system analysis, and also the book by Ashfaq Hussain. And there are different power systems are very vast of the different aspects. So there are different books recommended for different parts. For protection, there is B. Ram, book by B. Ram, Power System Protection. That serves the purpose for mostly for power systems. There are books like CL, authored by C.L. Wadhwa or by William Stevenson also. Lastly, coming to aptitude does not need much practice from previous years, and for sources of preparation like different parts like English can be studied from grammar books like Grant Martin, or from newspapers you can study. For aptitude, there are books like R.S. Agarwal, etc. So there are different sources, and if one is already strong in there is no need to practice. So that's all for the different sources of which are textbooks that can be helpful in preparation.